Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to the video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how to solve this issue. The term sh is not recognized as the name of cmdlet function and script file. For that, guys, try to install Cyqwin. You can get the setup for 64-bit. You can get it from here. You can install this. Try to install this. Setup x84. Next. Just click on next. Just click on next, click on next. This, it will start downloading from the internet. So it will download all from the site. So these are all available download sites. So anything you can add. So I can add this one. Go click on next. Start the progress. It will start downloading the Cyqwin, particularly for Windows guys. So we are trying to run the Linux commands. So we might need this software. So click on next. Let it download. It will take a little bit of time. The tool will be here. Cyqwin. Double click it. All right. So it just looks like a terminal for you. I'm not getting that error now. Hope you like the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're new here, please subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.